Hello students, welcome in new video. Today I will give a solution of a question of exercise 14.3 and question number 6. According to question number 6, 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabets in the surnames was obtained as 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16 and 16 to 19. And number of surnames are also given respectively 6, 30, 40, 16, 4 and 4. Here according to question we have to find, it means determine the median number of letters in surnames, find the mean number of letters in surname, also find the model size of the surnames. It means इस डाटा से हमें मीडियन, मीन और मोड तीनों फाइंड करना है. लेट अस सी. एट फर्स्ट we have to find median surname. So here at first we will calculate CF, cumulative frequency. Here cumulative frequency will be 6 and 30, 36 and 40, 76 and 16, 92 and 4, 96 and 400. So at first we have to find here n by 2. Here 100 by 2, it means 50. Now we have to determine at first median class. Here n by 2 is 50 and we have to see 50 in which class intervals. So 50 is greater than 36 and less than 76. So our median class is 7 to 10. It means median class is 7 to 10. So lower limit of median class 7 and frequency of median class 40 and cumulative frequency of previous median class equal to 36. Class range is given 3 and we have to calculate median. Here median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by a small f into H. Now to put the value, L equal to 7 plus n by 2 50, CF 36 and a small f is 40 and to H equal to 3. अब इसे वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. सो हियर वी विल गेट मीडियन इक्वल टू 7 plus 50 minus 36. It means 14 by 40 equal to 3. इसे सिंप्लीफाई कर लेंगे by 2 से, तो 2 7 जार and 2 20 जार. or again we can write 7 plus 3 7 are 21 by 20. Now we have to divide, so here 7 and 21 by 20, it means 21 are 20 point and 1 taking 0 it is 10, so 0 are and 25 are, so median will be 8.05, यानी median surnames 8.05. Now we have to calculate mean. To find mean, at first we have to find xi. It means class mark of each class interval, and it is equal to L1 plus L2 by 2. So 1 plus 4, 5 by 2 equal to 2.5. Again 4 7 11 by 2, it means 5.5. क्योंकि क्लास रेंज जो है 3 का है, यानी 3 ऐड करते जाएंगे, सो वी विल गेट हियर 8.5, 11.5, 14.5 and 17.5. And now get di. Here di equal to xi minus a. अब इसमें से मान ले हम जो है किसी एक को a ले लेंगे, टेकिंग 11.5 as a. Here we have to find di, it means xi minus a, so 2.5 minus 11.5, it will be minus 9. Here minus 6, minus 3, 0, 3 and 6. Now we have to calculate fi di. Here fi di will be, here 6 9 are 54, it means minus 54. 36 are 180 minus 180, and 40 zeros are 120 minus 120. 16 zeros are 0, 4 3s are 12, and 4 6s are 24. And so we have to find sigma fi di. Sigma fi di is equal to a plus sigma fi di, sigma fi di, यानी यह टोटल सम फाइंड कर लेना है. हियर 3 आर नेगेटिव, यानी जो है माइनस 180 माइनस 120, इट इज माइनस 354, so it will be minus 354 and plus 24 and 12 36, so total will be 300 minus 380. Now we have to find a mean. Here mean equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. So here a equal to 11.5 and plus sigma fi di equal to minus 380 by sigma fi. Sigma fi it means total sum, या जो total sum it means sigma fi, it will be 100 by 100. Now we can write here 11.5 plus minus minus, and it is 3.18, or approx we can write 3.2 also. Here 11.5 minus 3.2, so we can write here 8.3. it means mean surname is 8.3. So again we have to calculate a model surname. To find a model surname, here we know that maximum frequency. Here maximum frequency is 40. So model class is also here model class is also will be 7 to 10. So L equal to 7, and the frequency of model class, it means Fi equal to 0. Frequency of previous model class F0 equal to 30, and the frequency of succeeding model class, it means F2 equal to 16. Range is 3. Here mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now we have to put the values. So L equal to 7 plus F1 here 40, and F0 30 to F1, it means 42 are 80 minus F0, it is 30, and F2 equal to 16 into H equal to 3. So here we have to calculate, it is 7 plus 40 minus 30, 10, and 30 and 60 both are negative. So here we can write 30 minus 46 into 3, or we can write 7 plus 10 3 are 30, and 80 minus 46 we can write here 34. Now we have to simplify here by 2, 17 jar and 2 15 jar. It means 7 plus 15 by 17, यानी 15 में 17 से डिवाइड कर देना है. So here we will get 0.88 and the sum will be 7.88. यानी जो है इस तरह से हमारा जो है मोड सरनेम हो गया 7.88. इस तरह से हमने तीन चीज इसमें फाइंड कर लिया. जो है मेडियन सरनेम 8.05, जो है मीन सरनेम 8.3 एंड मोड सरनेम 7.88. और इस तरह से यह क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हुआ.